vlogging a vlogception.
Oh my God.
You want to see Old Faithful?
Right here.
That means lightning. Also, too, we got rain coming. This rain will be here in just a couple of minutes. Recommend you take shelter right now.
Look at these tourists right here. This place is crazy. All right, let's find cafeteria. All right, Yellowstone teriyaki bowl, soda and chips for 15 bucks. There's a buffalo right there. Buffalo and I can hear all the little tourists screaming. So yeah, so far it's been a really good trip. This is the first time in Yellowstone after being in here for hours that I've actually been able to vlog. It's been wet, it's been rainy, it's been cold, it was snowing last night. I'm tired. I haven't slept for more than maybe a couple of hours. All right, buffalo, don't kill me now. Well, there's a buffalo. What's up, dude? You just stay chill. Welcome to Yellowstone. And where it's really cold, this is just wild frontier land, man. It's no joke. This is no picnic. This is no Yogi Bear, hey, want a picnic? It's like I'm waiting for summer to come. Like this would be, that was one of the jokes. It'd be great to come back here in the summertime. It's freaking winter here. I mean, it's just cold. Everybody seems to be having a good time. It's really hard to tell. We're not like, it's not efficient, right? We're at over 20 people, and I think we had 15 bikes with us. I think one of them's already left. We got a group in the truck, and we almost went out and rented a party van this morning because it was just raining, and you know, none of us really want to be messing with. We don't want an accident. I mean, that's the one thing, is like all the ideas I had about filming, like with the selfie stick or with the little strap and all that stuff, and like filming the whole group, it's really hard to pull off because we're just so exhausted. And if they're not exhausted, I am. I'm sure they're more than up for doing whatever if I just asked. But I feel like I've already asked so much of everybody here, you know, just by having everybody come out to Yellowstone, and you know, everybody's kind of following off my lead, and you know, it's tough because I don't want anybody to have a bad time. I don't want anybody to feel like they're not conquering Yellowstone. But no, it's been cool overall, and there's a lot of great people. Every single person that's been here, it's just been a pleasure talking to them, and everybody's laughing, and it's great. So on that side, I'm so happy to have just made it up here. I mean, I'm already at this point, I'm 1,067 miles into my adventure, and this is just day one of Yellowstone. We got 2 more days up here, and then we head back, and that's a 2 or 3 day adventure back. When you're trying to film and you're trying to capture a lot of creative things, and you're trying to do something more than what's already out there, you know, it can get frustrating and it can get difficult. And but I'm just glad to be a part of it. And this trip has been amazing. It's been a lot of things so far, which is really cool, and a lot of laughing's going on, like I was saying before. And for that, I'm so proud, I guess is the best way to put it. This river is awesome right here. God, these gloves, man, my hands feel like they're encased in ice already. So yeah, my air filter popped off at like 85 miles an hour on the freeway. I caught it with my knee, it dropped down even further, caught it with my ankle. My belt guard got caught on the brackets for my bags, and got tore up really bad, and it kind of etched into my belt. This is a big trip for the iron, I personally think. Yellowstone's just not really a forgiving place. It's really is just a wild frontier, and if it doesn't kill you, it just makes you stronger. So I hope you guys enjoyed, or have enjoyed so far, whatever videos I have put up, and whatever videos I'm putting up now, and whatever videos I'm about to put up. And I thank you for joining me, whether you were here in person or if you're just here in spirit. You know, it's been a long road, and I'm really just proud of everywhere that this whole channel's gone, and the people around it. So I thank you. It was kind of cool. Come across a set of geysers or so. Geysers by the river. This is a do not enter, but whatever. Let's see if my buddies are up here. I'm not seeing a bunch of motorcycles. Some bubbly mud. Bubbly, stinky mud, to be honest with you. Yeah, you know, I don't, maybe I'm just ornery, or I don't really know. Maybe I'm not the only one on this trip that feels this way, but like, for the most part, and this is kind of like, Gabe wanted to come up here originally, and I talked him into going to Utah, but I kind of just look at this place as a bubbly thing of mud. But it's really beautiful. I mean, the whole park itself is really cool. It's very broad, very vast. Oh, this is the mud volcano, okay. Well, I don't want to sit here and wait for you, lady. Sulfur cauldron. No, no, no. Don't block me off. That's cool. I don't know what's on the other side, but I'm guessing it's just a steaming pile of mud. Oh, it stinks like holy heck. What up, bro? Oh man, it really reeks over here. Let's move, people. That's how I feel on this trip. It's like, I get it, it's beautiful, but I get it, you're in a cage. Pull over and look at it. If you're having such a hard time looking at it while you're driving, just pull over. Or be smart and go out and buy a motorcycle. That's kind of neat. Real diverse area though, Yellowstone. I mean, going from like trees and stuff to like alpine type setups to lagoons to, and this area is just kind of neat. It just kind of reminds me almost like of what I'd see at the beach, like close to the beach, as far as the grassy hills. But then the actual, when you look at it kind of up close, and what you have, the prairie grass or whatever it's called, is quite different. This water is real neat. Lots of water out here, which is kind of cool. Bunch of stopped cars. I'm assuming there's a big thing of buffalo. Yeah, it's sticking around. It's getting knocked off my bike. That lone buffalo sitting out there in the field might come charging for me from a flank. You know, when you're in Yellowstone, it's always a good idea to check your rear view mirrors, make sure there's no buffalo charging after you. It's something I recommend. Not really sure what we're all kind of waiting for, but time to move along. Real pretty though. It's worth preserving that. All right, Geese, Alum Creek. This is a real pretty area. Kind of done though. I'm cold and just want to get back to the cabin, get the footage off the cameras. I want to move on. You know, overall, I'm having a great time here at Yellowstone. This part kind of sucks being separated now from the group so badly, but it was real pretty and everything, but I've been seeing pretty for a long time. And I'm cold, I'm tired, I'm hungry. And but that's actually really pretty up ahead, so let's go up there and film it. Oh boy, it is freaking cold. I gotta close the visor, but then I fog up. Yeah, slow down, truck. You don't want to be falling right into the freaking river. Dear Lord. Go any faster than 35 and you're bound to just plummet to your death. I don't have time for you, buddy. Good Lord. Oh crap, here comes the rain. I'm gonna have to put away the camera here in a little bit if it keeps coming down. Pretty area. Oh yeah. I think that was one of the Jeffs. We've got a lot of Jeffs. I'll go ahead and wait for him real quick since he waited for me. Tearing up Yellowstone. Oh, with the rain. For Lord's sake. That is some sharp rain. That's like hail. Ouch. I gotta get this GoPro put away safely. And I really need to get this camera off my face and into a bag. But that's all the audio vlogs I'm going to be able to do, I think, today. A little brief moment. Holy shnikey. All right. Time to eat something and warm up. Do you guys have a fun day today? Yeah. It was an adventure. Fun is a weird word, but we will be able to tell fun stories later about it. Yes, yeah, exactly. A vacation, if you will.